Well, Bloomberg Intelligence says that Asian life insurers' new business value could climb by double digits in 2025. Let's get some more on the outlook. The lead insurance analyst, Steven Lam, joins us now. So, Steven, if you take a look at the key profit drivers for Asian insurers next year, what does that look like?
Hi, good morning, Heidi. So, the quick answer would be two things. That would be investment returns and also the new business value growth. Now, if we take a step back into 2024, I think we need to observe something that's very important, which is especially for the life insurance companies, would be the bond yields, right? Now, if you think about it, there are two very opposite directions that happened towards the end of this year. That will be Japan and mainland China. So I think it's worth to notice that in Japan, the local bond yields have risen very steadily and gradually, but then in China it has been going down quite rapidly, to a point where the 30-year bond yield actually in China is now lower than the Japanese counterparts. And that's basically the first time we've seen that in the history. So the backdrop for Japanese life insurers will continue to be very good, at least from the bond returns perspective. And then for the Chinese counterparts, it's going to be a tough one on the fixed income side. But then I think the silver lining for the Chinese companies is that the local stock markets. I think the previous speaker already commented about some of the Chinese local stock market dynamics. Now, if that continues in 2025, that will be a very, very big boost for the Chinese insurance companies' earnings momentum.
In terms of specific companies, what's the standouts to you in terms of where we could see that upside surprise?
Yeah, so I think following what I said just now, the Chinese companies, in terms of the market expectation for profit, is actually still very low for 2025. I think the market has learned that we don't price in too much, especially for the stock market performance, until we can actually see that possibly in the rearview mirror based on the experience that we have in 2024. Now, there's also another thing that is going on, which is for the life insurance companies, is new business value growth. Now, 2024 has been an awesome year for the Chinese companies. This has been a very strong demand in terms of savings, and also for AIA and Prudential as well, coming from the mainland customers. So in 2025, we still see that momentum going very strong because of the savings demand, low interest rate in China. People are looking for very, very safe, but then a little bit higher return from the insurance companies. So those two factors will probably drive the earnings and also share price performance for the Chinese companies in AIA Prudential.
Our lead insurance analyst, Steven Lam, there with us.